Welcome to my channel. Brother DCP B7600DB WiFi Duplex Printer Setup Review, 2026. Step 1. Unbox the printer. Remove the printer from the box and take off all protective tapes, stickers, and packing materials carefully. Step 2. Install toner cartridge. Open the front cover, insert the toner and drum unit properly, then close the cover securely. Step 3. Load paper. Place A4 paper into the paper tray and adjust the paper guides to fit the paper size. Step 4. Power on the printer. Connect the power cable and press the power button to turn on the printer. Step 5. Complete initial setup. Use the printer display and buttons to select language, paper size, and other basic settings. Step 6. Connect the printer. Connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable for stable setup and printing. Step 7. Download Brother drivers. Visit the official Brother website and download the latest drivers and software for your Windows or Mac computer. Step 8. Install printer software. Run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete installation. Step 9. Enable auto duplex printing. Turn on automatic duplex printing in printer settings to print on both sides of the paper easily. Step 10. Print a test page review. Print a test page, scan a document, and check copy quality. The Brother DCP B7600DB is fast, reliable, and great for office printing with low running costs. Thanks for watching.